Good day, students! Welcome to our lesson about motion. Students, I want you to watch a short video about motion. How do you describe motion? What can you say about the motion of the two balls? Try to answer. I will check on this on pages 6 to 7 of Module 1 to find out how much you know about motion. Motion can be described as a physical quantity that can be measured. The scalar and vector are types of physical quantities. Scalar has magnitude only, while vector has both magnitude and direction. Motion is a continuous change in position with a reference point. A reference point is an object used as a basis to determine if something is in motion. Now that you know the definition of motion, let's now look into the quantities involved in motion. The illustration shows the distance traveled by the boy from his home to his school. Distance is a scalar quantity with an SI unit of measure meters m. The total distance is the sum of all distances from D1 to D5. 8m plus 2m plus 4m plus 2m plus 4m equals 20 meters. Displacement, on the other hand, is a vector quantity, the distance from the initial and final position. Displacement is 0 if the object returns to its original position. In the illustration, the resultant is the displacement, which is 4 meters north. Speed is a scalar quantity. It refers to how fast an object moves, while velocity refers to how fast an object changes its position. As you can see, in the equation v equals d divided by t, where v equals speed, d equals distance, t equals time, the SI unit of speed is meters per second, while velocity will have meters per second and direction. The last quantity is acceleration. It is a vector quantity, and the rate of change of velocity. Whenever the velocity of an object changes, it has an acceleration. The table shows the different ways of changing velocity or accelerating an object. To compute for acceleration, we use the following equations. Let's refer to example on page 11 of Module 1. A toy car reaches a velocity of 10 meters per second from rest in 5 seconds. To solve for acceleration, the final velocity 10 meters per second minus initial velocity 0 meters per second, then divide by 5 seconds. The acceleration of the toy is 2 meters per second squared. Now that you know about the concepts of motion, answer on your own, and I will do this on pages 11 to 12 of Module 1. Use the answer key to find out how well you did. Let's now put into practice your knowledge about motion by answering the rest of the sections of the module. Use the answer key to find out if you got the answers correctly. Congratulations on accomplishing all the parts of the module. You're now ready to take the post-test. Good luck!